Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be making Papparoti coffee buns today. Onto a large bowl, take 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and make a soft dough using 1 cup of warm milk. Now take 40 ml of coconut oil. Add the oil gradually and work it into the dough. Make a smooth ball. Cover and let it rise for an hour. For the coffee topping, take 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and mix with 1 tablespoon hot water. Keep this aside. Onto a bowl, take 60 grams of softened butter. Add 4 teaspoons of sugar. You may add few more teaspoons of sugar if you want it sweet. Mix well and add in the coffee mixture. Add 1 whole egg and mix it well. It's only natural to see lumps at this time. Take half cup of all-purpose flour and make a creamy paste. Put this in a piping bag. It's been an hour and my dough has doubled in size. Place it on a powdered surface and puncture the dough. Divide the dough into 4 large balls and 4 smaller balls. Take 4 cubes of butter, 5 grams each. Cover it with the small dough. Now place it in the middle of the bigger dough. Seal it well from all the sides and give it the shape of a bun. Place it over a greased baking pan, cover and let it rise for 40 minutes. When it's doubled in size, remove the cover. Pipe the creamy coffee mixture over the buns as shown. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And now bake the buns for 15 minutes. Once ready, remove from the oven, drizzle some chocolate sauce or enjoy it as it is. Thank you for watching.